We have a serious problem that we have been dealing with in this region, which is affecting all the 3 counties of Tharaka Nithi, Embu, and Meru, which is basically the growing of Cannabis Sativa in the Mount Kenya forest. This has become a matter of great concern, and we're working together with Kenya Forest Service to ensure that criminals who are using the forest to plant this dangerous plant are apprehended and dealt with. As you very well know, we keep ensuring that there is joint operations with sister institutions, and we want to see how best we can now improve on that collaboration. The proliferation of second generation alcohol is actually being fueled by counterfeit products, and we have a multi-agency team that has been working on this issue. We have a number of these people who have been arrested, the distributors, and some of them who are brewers who are locally mixing alcohol, buying ethanol and mixing with other kind of alcohol here and distributing within this region. Again, let me say this, that this menace cannot be dealt with by the security sector alone. We require the joint cooperation and support from the local community. And in the past, this cooperation has been periodic. It happens and then everybody goes back to sleep and then we come back. And I want to say that part of the discussions we are going to have here is to see how we can leverage on community support. I want also to ask local political leaders not to interfere with operations that are dealing with arrests and apprehension of alcohol distributors. There has been complaint that in some situations there is, you arrest somebody and there is protest, there are calls, there are sometimes harassment of police officers and the chiefs who are involved in matters enforcement. We are also going to look at ourselves, because we are getting feedback from Wananchi that some of our officers are also aiding and abetting this alcohol business. And we want to hear the feedback from Wananchi. And as I have said before, every public officer, whether police officer, whether a chief, whether assistant chief, who involves themselves in any kind of crime does not get the support and the protection of the ministry. We also want to discuss how we can better the relationship between our chiefs and assistant chiefs and the police officers. Some of them are saying that there is a missing link in terms of working relationship between the administrators and the police officer. I want to forge, as you saw yesterday in Tharaka Nithi, this is one of the issues that was raised. I have been told also here that relationship will be worked out, because sometimes the assistant chiefs and the chiefs may report cases of illicit brews and adulterated alcohol, but nothing is done because perhaps there is a laxity on the part of the police officers. And we are going to be very open and honest with ourselves. We have not come here to sing praises to ourselves. Where we have failed, we must sit together and find a solution to see how best we can be able to avert any future crisis